When it comes to kitchen essentials, having the right tools for the job makes all the difference. Whether you're an experienced chef or someone just beginning to explore the joys of cooking, Ziliny mini cast iron skillets will quickly become a favorite addition to your kitchen. These small, versatile skillets are perfect for simmering, sautéing, frying, baking, and serving, making them a must-have for anyone who enjoys creating delightful dishes with ease. Key features. At 5 by 5 by 1.3 inches, these mini cast iron skillets are perfectly sized for individual servings, making them ideal for preparing personal-sized dishes. Whether you're cooking a small portion of sautéed vegetables, eggs, or a dessert, these skillets offer just the right size to create a dish with the perfect balance of heat and flavor. Made from high-quality cast iron, these skillets provide even heat distribution and exceptional heat retention. Cast iron is known for its durability, and these pans are no exception. Designed to last for years, they are built to withstand high heat and provide reliable, consistent results every time you cook. Featuring a double-loop handle design, the Ziliny mini cast iron skillets are easy to maneuver, ensuring you can safely transfer your skillet from the stovetop to the oven or even directly to the table. The handles are robust and perfectly balanced, making it simple to cook and serve your dishes without the risk of slipping or burning your hands. These mini skillets come with a naturally non-stick surface, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter in your cooking. This not only promotes a healthier cooking method, but also makes cleanup a breeze. With proper care and seasoning, the non-stick surface will improve over time, further enhancing the cooking experience. These mini skillets are oven-safe, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop cooking to baking. This versatility means you can use the skillets for everything from sautéing to baking, individual servings of cornbread, frittatas, or even desserts like mini cobblers. Why you need the Ziliny mini cast iron skillets? Small cooking pans are often overlooked, but the Ziliny mini cast iron skillets prove that great things come in small packages. These skillets offer numerous benefits that elevate your cooking experience, including portion control. Whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing individual servings, these mini skillets are the ideal size for portion control, helping you avoid food waste and enabling you to create just the right amount of food for your needs. Improved heat distribution and retention. Cast iron is renowned for its superior heat distribution, ensuring that your dishes cook evenly from edge to edge. The skillets retain heat well, allowing you to cook your food at the optimal temperature for perfect results every time. Enhanced flavor and texture. The cast iron material helps create a crispy golden crust on foods like meats, eggs, and baked goods, giving your dishes an exceptional texture and flavor that is difficult to replicate with other types of cookware. Health-conscious cooking. Thanks to the naturally non-stick surface, you'll need to use less oil or butter, which is perfect for those who want to enjoy a healthier, lower-fat cooking experience. The Ziliny skillets provide a healthier alternative to traditional non-stick pans, making them a great choice for anyone looking to cook with fewer added fats. Ideal use cases for the Ziliny mini cast iron skillets. The Ziliny mini cast iron skillets are perfect for a wide range of cooking applications, especially when you need a smaller, more controlled cooking surface. Here are a few ideas for what you can cook with these versatile skillets. Breakfast, the perfect pan for frying up eggs, making crispy bacon, or cooking a small omelette. Baking, individual desserts. Bake individual servings of cakes, cobblers, or brownies right in the skillet for a rustic and charming presentation. Mini frittatas, prepare savory or sweet frittatas with ease. These skillets are great for both stovetop and oven cooking, making them ideal for breakfast or brunch. Sautéing vegetables. Whether you're preparing a side dish or sautéing a small batch of vegetables, these skillets provide even heat for perfectly cooked veggies. Frying small portions. Whether you're frying a small portion of chicken, fish, or just a few potatoes, the Ziliny mini cast iron skillets give you total control over your cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.